Caitlin Long, CEO of Custodia Bank, has criticized regulators and lawmakers in Washington, D.C. for their misguided crackdown on the crypto sector. She has also claimed that they are failing to act on her warnings of fraud committed by now bankrupted entities, attacking high-integrity innovators while failing to protect investors. Long stated that she had handed over evidence of probable crimes to law enforcement months before the collapse of an unnamed firm. This was corroborated by Kraken CEO Jesse Powell. This article provides a thorough overview of the current situation between the government and the crypto sector. The author highlights the frustration of Custodia Bank CEO Caitlin Long, who claims that regulators and lawmakers in Washington, D.C. have failed to protect investors and have not taken any action against the now bankrupted entities that allegedly conducted fraud. Furthermore, Long's claims are supported by other figures in the crypto space such as Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong, who has expressed similar concerns about the lack of regulatory clarity in the U.S. and the SEC's regulation by enforcement approach. Jesse Powell, co-founder and CEO of Kraken, also corroborated Long's statements by noting that he had pointed out massive red flags and obviously illegal activity to regulators only to have them ignore the issues for years. This article serves to illustrate the current disconnect between the government and the crypto sector, as well as the frustration of those in the industry who are attempting to work in good faith. David Gokhshtein, founder of Gokhshtein Media, is an avid crypto enthusiast holding bags of Dogecoin and Shiba Inu. He has also recently acquired a new Doge shoot-off called Floki Inu. He believes that meme coins can attract a large number of new retail buyers to the crypto market and drive them towards Bitcoin in particular. This week, Doge experienced a jump of over 9%, attributed to Elon Musk's photoshopped picture of his puppy, pushing the Floki price up. However, Doge has since then plunged more than 6% and Gokhshtein has stated he will get out of SHIB as soon as it reaches the 1 cent level. This article provides an informative overview of the performance of some of the most popular meme coins, including Dogecoin, Shiba Inu and Floki Inu. David Gokhshtein, founder of Gokhshtein Media and crypto enthusiast, shared his thoughts on the matter, discussing the potential impact of these coins on the crypto market, and how they may act as an entry point for new retail buyers. The article also references Musk's tweet in relation to Doge, and Gokhshtein's plans for his holdings. Overall, it is a comprehensive look at the current state of meme coins. Stablecoins recently faced regulatory pressure, with BUSD being the most affected and USDC being the next in line. USDC's market cap has seen a pivot in the last few days, though it was on an overall downward trajectory prior to this. Despite the FUD, USDC volumes on the Binance Smart Chain and the Ethereum network were largely driven by prevailing market conditions. No isolated scenario where traders are abandoning USDC has been observed. This article provides an in-depth analysis of the recent regulatory FUD and how it has affected the demand and volume of USDC, a stablecoin. It is noted that initial surge in USDC volume, on the Binance Smart Chain and Ethereum network, was largely driven by the overall crypto market, with the subsequent decline due to the Binance FUD. Despite this, the market cap of USDC has seen a pivot and is still in a healthy state, indicating that the FUD has not had a significant impact. The key point in the ongoing Ripple lawsuit is that it may provide regulatory clarity on who should oversee the cryptocurrency industry. This clarity would help determine the fate of investors and firms. This article provides insight into the ongoing Ripple lawsuit and its potential implications for the cryptocurrency industry. Bill Morgan's argument that the lawsuit might determine who will regulate the crypto space and provide regulatory clarity is important to consider. The decision is anticipated to be made in the first half of 2023, and it may have lasting effects on the industry. Ultimately, the outcome of the Ripple case could answer the lingering question of who should oversee the cryptocurrency industry, the SEC or the CFTC. Renowned trader Peter Brandt identified a price wall in the Bitcoin chart. He believes this is a major turning point, setting a mid-$25,0002x target. Mike Novogratz said there is a chance of Bitcoin returning to $30,000 by the end of March. Glassnode co-founder Raphael Schultzkraft noted that the Bitcoin network is showing signs of a paradigm shift. There has been an increase in average block size. This article provides an analysis of the Bitcoin market by veteran trader Peter Brandt and Glassnode CTO Raphael Schultzkraft. Brandt identifies a double-walled fulcrum pattern, and sets a mid-$25,0002x target for BTC. Schultz-Kraft points to a potential paradigm shift in terms of network usage, block space and fees if adoption continues to accelerate. Both traders provide valuable insights into the current state of the Bitcoin market, which can be used by investors to make more informed decisions. Crypto analyst Mohit Souraut suggests a massive surge in Ethereum's price could be imminent, due to its extreme low volatility. He suggests that the price will have to go up for the volatility to mean revert to higher levels. It is unclear how far this rally will go, but it could suggest that a major price surge is on the horizon. This article provides insight into the opinion of Mohit Souraut, co-founder of Bitazu Capital, regarding the potential price surge of Ethereum. He believes that the current volatility of the cryptocurrency has reached extreme lows, which could result in an increase in price. Souraut also suggests that these volatility levels usually mean revert to higher levels, which could indicate that a major price surge is on the horizon. This prediction is supported by the fact that this is only the fourth time in history that the DCA indicator is suggesting a raging bull market for Bitcoin. Although the full extent of this potential surge is still unknown, it is clear that Souraut is expecting Ethereum's price to increase in the near future. The recent upgrade to the Ethereum network, Merge, has resulted in a spike in the burn rate of ETH. This indicates that the transition to the new consensus mechanism is progressing well. The new burning mechanism is functioning as intended, mainly due to the rise of Layer 2 networks and the returning activity in the DeFi industry. The burn rate is intended to reduce the overall supply of ETH. It is not a guarantee of price appreciation, which is ultimately determined by market demand and investor sentiment. This article provides a clear overview of the recent development of the burning mechanism implemented in the Merge update on the Ethereum network. The spike in burn rate is a positive sign for the Ethereum network, indicating that the transition to the new consensus mechanism is progressing well and that the new burning mechanism is functioning as intended. The increase in network activity is largely attributed to the rise of Layer 2 networks and the returning activity in the DeFi industry, as well as the increasing risk tolerance among retail investors. However, it is important to note that the burning mechanism is not a guarantee of price appreciation, as the value of ETH is ultimately determined by market demand and investor sentiment. Bitcoin surged past the $24,000 barrier, which has caused skepticism among traders. However, according to analyst Timothy Peterson, the chances of Bitcoin dropping below the $20,000 mark is less than 1%. Long-term hodlers of Bitcoin have grown immensely. With the introduction of ordinals in the mining sector, miner profitability has increased due to the increasing average block size of Bitcoin. Despite these improvements, traders remain skeptical of BTC's growth. It remains to be seen how all these factors will affect Bitcoin in the long run. This article provides a comprehensive overview of the recent developments in the Bitcoin market. Analyst Timothy Peterson suggests that the chances of Bitcoin dropping below the $20,000 mark is less than 1% and that the introduction of ordinals had a positive impact on miner profitability. Data from Santiment and Delphi Digital are used to emphasize the point that the block size of Bitcoin increased and the number of fees earned by the miners grew, increasing the overall revenue generated. CoinGlass's data is used to show that traders remain skeptical of BTC's growth, with an increasing number of short positions taken against it. This article provides a great insight into the current state of the Bitcoin market, emphasizing the point that only time will tell how these factors will impact Bitcoin in the long run. ETH's Shanghai upgrade is soon to come, and investors are excited as they will be able to withdraw their staked Ethereum. Data from technical crypto analyst, Gokhshtein and Santiment showed increasing ETH accumulation and decreased supply on exchanges. Whales and sharks still hold close to 47% of the total ETH supply, and the Galaxy score was also indicating a possible price uptick. At the time of writing, ETH was trading at $1,701.26 with a market capitalization of more than $208 billion. This article suggests that investors are optimistic about Ethereum's upcoming Shanghai upgrade, and that this sentiment is backed up by data from several sources that show increased ETH accumulation, decreased exchange outflow, and growing confidence from whales. Additionally, the Galaxy score from Lunar Crush puts Ethereum in the top 15 cryptos, which is another positive sign for the token holders. All of this indicates a possible price uptick for ETH in the near future.